Welcome to my channel Watch and Learn. So viewers, in this video I am going to discuss about ratio. So what is ratio? A ratio is a relationship between two or more values. Ratios are used in different ways in our daily life. For example, in cooking, we use ingredients in different ratios. If half cup of sugar is needed for 4 cups of water, then 1 cup of sugar will be needed in 8 cups of water. So, both the quantities have been doubled. A ratio compares the value. It tells how much of one thing as compared to another thing. Ratio can be represented in different ways. Suppose we have to show the ratio of 1 cup to 8 cups. We can use the following ways. Like this. 1:8. Use the symbol ratio. 1 is to 8. Its statement form of ratio. And 1/8 as a fraction form. I hope so you understood this simple concept about ratio. For more informative and